In this video, I will show you how to move files from desktop to another folder in Windows 11. So open File Explorer and in the desktop to move any file, drag and drop in any another folder. This is the first way. Another way, right click and cut and paste on another folder. So just select and drag and drop in any another folder to move your folder from desktop to another folder in Windows. Now you will see no any file will appear here. You want to hide completely every icon file folders from your desktop. So right click view and unselect show desktop icons. So this is the method guys, you can move folder in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.